Now today I'm doing a little work on the ramp truck. What I'm doing, I'm sticking some more of these tie downs in the bed of the truck. I bought it, it had some back here, and it only had two all the way up here in the corner, which is fine if you're hauling the car. If you're hauling anything else and you need to run some straps from one side to the other, those are kind of pointless. You know, work, they make a pain in the ass. So one there, one on the opposite side, one back there, and then one right there, and I'm sticking two in the middle. The front one and the back one, I use the torch cut the hole out, and this one I can't, because the tire's underneath it, and there's a wire that runs across here. There's side marker lights. Now I could probably take that wire down and then torch it out, but probably take the wheels off. I'm not doing that. So here I just cut it out. With the death wheel, you cut a square there, so that fits down in there. Set down there, weld it. I was using that thing and I think I'm getting frostbite from it, so I had to go get my gloves. Just to get one glove in my hand. Here's the other one. You get that cut out, put those down there, weld them on, and all three of them will be on each side. You know, the hole's cut, and there you can see the wire. I didn't want a torch on it, but she's down in there. That'd be a hair big hole, but it'll work. I just need to do it on the other side and weld them both in. Yeah, I'm on the driver's side now. I got it kind of marked out, good enough to get a hole cut. A little cardboard pattern. I think that's about the third one I made, because when I was doing those with the torch, I accidentally burnt the other two up. But anyways, that cut out. Got set down in there. The other thing the hole's cut, and of course there's that wire. It works. That's that backwards. I just need to clean that up. Wire wheel so it welds good. If I grind that coating off, weld it up. Yeah, that's not working as good as I thought it would. I'll go back to what I used before. I had a wire wheel on that. I think I'll put it back on. It seemed to work a little better. Thought it'd cheap, but it can work. Yeah, I got the wire wheel put on. We'll clean that up. And then probably do a little grinding with the cheapy grinder. I usually do have a good grinder that you can depend on, and use the cheap no-name ones. If you screw them up, who cares? Throw them in the trash and get another one. But you need a good one on hand in case your junk ones go to crap. You got one you can depend on. Well, that one's fitted in, but I'm gonna have to do something along here. It's not sitting very flat. I don't know what happened. I have to beat that down and weld it along the side there. I'll get it figured out. I need to clean that side. I got the passenger side cleaned up, and then I was back working on the driver's side one. I cleaned that up and beat the steel down flat. That sits on it better. It just still sits up a high, or a hair high in there, but can't get underneath there to beat that down real good, but it'll work. This should do the job. I'm going to have to weld it across here. That way it doesn't try to pull on that, which might have been what was happening. They might have hooked on that and it pulled up on it. You can kind of see it's up there, and it's kind of up along there too. The other side of the rail's bent in. If I got another piece of steel, I'm going to put on the rail because that one's split, got water in it and split. That should be good. I need to drag the welder out and get a welding. Well, that one's welded on. Now I need to go to the other side and weld it on. Well, that one's welded on. Can't have a bead along there because that wasn't welded across there either. It wasn't bent up like that side was. It should be good. I just got to pick up my tools. And now if I want to strap something across, I got one there. There, and there. That I put on, I still got the ones at the back. And then the ones up at the corner, which are more for hauling the car. These should work for, say, I want to haul some junk or parts or whatever. At least I can strap it from there over to there and hold it down. Well, I put my tie downs to use. Basically, that's what I wanted it for, so I could strap something side to side and it'd actually put pressure down on it. You might be wondering what the heck that is. What that is, I need to go get some tin like that. It's 26 foot long, and I'm going to slide it down inside there. Let it hang off the back here. But those seem to be working pretty good. Maybe later here I'll go get the tin, but I'm not going to show that. Why would you want to see that? You want to see the craziness that I do with the junk I have.